The BRIZY team is a multi-skilled team ranging from experienced developers from all spheres to designers and creators. With our modern approach to the UX and UI experience, we are also extremely proud of our layouts. Layouts is a pro feature and provides you with dozens of ready-made templates for entire sites. Once you are inside the BRIZY Builder, click on Add a new block and you'll see the Layouts tab at the top left hand of the pop-up screen. If you click on it and you see a little Pro label appear in the top right of each thumbnail, it means you are viewing it with the BRIZY free version. You'll still be able to browse through the layouts, but you won't be able to load them. To do that, you'll need to have BRIZY Pro. In this case, we are using BRIZY Pro, so the label has been removed. On the left sidebar, you'll see that we've grouped the layouts into categories from business, travel, real estate to food. Let's select food and we are presented with the layout kits within this category. Hover over the kits and in the bottom, you'll see the layout name appear. This one is Flavor, this one Gourmet, Lavish, and the fourth one Molino. Let's take a closer look at Gourmet. Click on it. The Layouts Manager opens the Gourmet template pack and you'll see the 6 ready-made pages appear here on the right. We've got a home page, about page, menu page, careers page, location page, and contact page. As you click on each of them, you'll see a visual representation of that page on the left. If you want to see the entire page, just hover your mouse over the page display and you'll get to scroll the page up and down. Let's look at a different layout. Click on Back to Layouts. This time, choose Health and Beauty from the category sidebar and choose the Yoga layout. I'm happy with this homepage template and will use it for the page we're currently building. Make sure you've clicked on the page you want to use, then select Replace Global Styling at the bottom to apply the colors and typography used for that particular layout, and click on Import this layout. This loads the entire layout template onto the page. Now you can make changes to the images and content. In the sidebar under Styling, you'll see the style of the layout page that has been loaded and displays as Yoga from the drop-down menu. You can play around to see how the other presets would look for this template. If you change your mind about using this layout, go to Reorder Blocks and delete the blocks. As simple as that. And remember to save your work. To stay up to date on new layout releases, subscribe to our YouTube channel and activate the notification option to ensure you never miss a new release.